My name is Barry Deacon. My law firm name is Barry Deacon Law. We handle all types of personal injury cases. The typical personal injury attorney has a mega law firm. They get a case in, they sign you up, and then refer you out to some lawyer that you've never known, never met, and you probably will never talk to the head lawyer. I differ from that type of practice. I'm a solo practitioner. I have assistants, but I'm the only lawyer in my firm. I've got other lawyers in the same building with me that I consult with, so it's not like that. It's just me. Sometimes I step next door and talk to another lawyer and say, hey, give me your advice about this. I feel like it's a real advantage to the client being a solo practitioner because I'm personally involved in their case step by step all the way through from calling our office the very first time to taking your case to court. Personal injury cases are about you, the client. How an injury and whatever accident you've been involved in has affected your life, what medical treatment you have to undergo, what effect that has had on your everyday living, on your job, and on yourself. That's what personal injury is about. Normally, insurance companies are trying to protect their bottom line, and that is not good for you, it's not good for me, it's not good for the system at all. You are trying to get what you are entitled to in a lawsuit, and so when an insurance company is trying to lowball you, it upsets me, it should upset you, and we're going to go after them. Getting a result for a client that will change your life is awesome. It's the greatest feeling in the world. When my client is satisfied, I'm elated with that. I think my past clients and current clients would say that I'm very involved in their case, that I know what I'm doing, I'm very experienced, that I've given them good advice, I hope to give them good advice. I think they trust me, and trust between a client and the lawyer is probably the most important thing. Client communication is very important. It's important for me to get back to my client as soon as possible. I try to get back to my client. If they call me that day, I'm trying to get back to them that day. Sometimes that's difficult because sometimes you're off in court or meetings or that sort of thing. But I am very mindful that a client, when they call me as their lawyer, they're wanting to know something. And when people want to know something, they're entitled to get an answer back as quickly as possible. So I'm going to try to get back to you, the client, as quickly as I can. My firm is different in the respect that I have been practicing for 40-something years. I have a lot of experience, and what I think is a real advantage to the client and the difference in my firm and others is that I have practiced on both sides of the case. And by that I mean I've done defense work, I now do plaintiff's work, I handle people cases. I don't represent companies, I don't represent insurance companies, I represent the people. And I think I'm different in the respect that I have that experience that at one point in time I did represent insurance companies. It was 20 plus years ago, but I know what to anticipate that they're going to do and can be a move ahead of them at all times.